our goal at Ayurooms is to understand your expectations and then to deliver on those expectations and even exceed them if we can. We go around to all the different resorts and we film the rooms ourselves, me in particular, because you're going to stay at a resort for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, doing your Panchakarma. It's not like going to a hotel room for 1 or 2 nights and you're out. You have to be comfortable. You have to be able to settle well into that space. You have to be able to sleep well at night. Therefore, when you book with Ayurooms, when you book a resort through Ayurooms, we want to help you identify the right room for you, specifically, down to the room number, not just the room category. Because the amazing part about India is that a lot of these resorts are so incredibly unique that even within the same room category, all the rooms look different. All the rooms can look different within a single room category. And there can be great variation in size, in amenities, in features. And our goal is to help you pick the right one for you. And we have this philosophy: what you see is what you get. We're not one of those companies that's going to show you one room and give you another room. And if we cannot give you a particular room that we show you in our video, we'll say that room is booked, but we'll offer you this room. So that's the advantage with booking with Ayurooms, is that we can help you to know exactly which room you're going to get, what the room looks like, what are the conveniences, what are the inconveniences, what are the limitations of a particular room. Because we want you to be fully informed when you go to a particular resort, fully informed when you choose a particular room category, what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses. Because no resort and no room category is perfect. Everything has its limitations, strengths as well as weaknesses. And my job at Ayurooms is to inform you as to what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses of a particular resort, of a particular room category, and to help you make an informed decision. Because there's nothing worse than going to a resort and being let down, being given a different room than what you thought you were going to get, or going to a resort and seeing that it's not what you expected in the way of treatments, in the way of ambiance, in the way of food, etc. So our goal at Ayurooms is to understand your expectations and then to deliver on those expectations and even exceed them if we can. So thanks very much for watching our walkthroughs. If there's any particular resort that's not on our channel, but you're interested in seeing a walkthrough of that resort, leave a message in the comments section and we'll try to get to that resort and we'll let you know when it's posted. So, and finally, if you're wondering about whether you should book the particular room that you saw through Ayurooms, absolutely. The advantage is that when you book with Ayurooms, you'll not only get the best possible price, you'll also get the best service. Because the clients of Ayurooms are treated like royalty wherever they go. When we send clients to a particular resort, they know those clients are coming from Ayurooms. And they know that we have particular standards, particular expectations that we hold our resorts accountable for delivering upon. And therefore, you have an advantage when you book through Ayurooms because you will be treated differently than anyone else at that particular resort. And that's a promise. Thanks very much for watching. Do hit that like button, do hit that subscribe button, and get in touch with Ayurooms for more information. Thank you very much.